Hi, this is Dr. Bird again. Today I would like to discuss another modality that we use at our office that probably not many chiropractic offices have. And I've been using this modality for the last, I don't know, close to 20 years when they just started coming out with the smaller units, let's call it Erconia. And then different companies picked up the pace and they started creating more powerful and machines that called laser. And basically what it does is it has an enhancement, it has an ability to penetrate deep tissue, soft tissue deeper than let's say electric stimulation and ultrasound, and it also has a different therapeutic effect. It allows increased amount of blood flow get into the soft tissue. For example, if somebody has a tennis elbow, which is right here, and the ligament is hurting, so all you need to do is just turn this thing on. The red light goes on, and then you just hold it and let it do the cure. What it does, it basically stimulates the regeneration of the ligament and tendon, brings more blood flow, and enhances the entire chiropractic experience. So usually the therapy session is about 10 minutes long, and I don't usually even charge for this service. It just adds on to the main chiropractic care that we do here, like adjustment the entire spine, shoulder, ligaments, elbows, wrists, ankles. And sometimes when the patients have a severe amount of pain and they don't respond to any other treatment, we use this. And it's very helpful. Recently, we just had a patient that fell during the snowboarding, and then 2 months later, I'm gonna turn it off. And then 2 months later, this patient was involved in a car accident, and the right shoulder was in a severe amount of pain. So we started using it for each session that the patient had, besides the full spine adjustment, deep tissue massage, electric stimulation, heat, and some other things that we do here. We added this on, and the patient started feeling an improvement literally after like first 5-6 sessions. And now it's just getting better because it just adds on to each therapy. So if anybody in the area doesn't respond to any other care and have pain with the shoulder and any joints, feel free to contact me and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, have a good one.